So today is a super exciting day. We are going to be choosing winners for the 5K giveaway. I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for all of the support that you've given me throughout my YouTube journey. I couldn't have done it without you guys. You guys literally are the channel. So before we decide on winners, we first have to set everything up. So I'm just using the Numbers app on my computer, which is basically the equivalent to Excel, and I'm just making 3 different spreadsheets for the 3 different prizes. So I'm just going to go through and make the 3 different spreadsheets, and then I'm going to go through and collect everybody's names and what Amazon they use, and I'm going to add everything to it. I don't really think there's a whole lot else I need to explain, so I'm going to let you guys watch this with some music, and I will meet you back here when it's time to pick our winners. right, so we are finally ready to pick a winner. I'm super excited and nervous. I can't wait to see who wins. So I decided to use pickerwheel.com just to make it a little bit more fun. It's a little bit more involved than just a random number generator. So we're going to be picking a winner for prize number 3 first, which was Whimsy Girls Celebrate the Holidays by Lynns. So let's see, we have 25 people entered for this one. So we'll put 25 here. And I think we're going to shuffle it just to make it a little bit more random. So let's see who the winner for this one is. Good luck, everyone. Alright, so number 9 is the winner, and that is Charlotte Kunkel. Congratulations, Charlotte. So would you please add Whimsy Girls Celebrate the Holidays to your wish list? And you can either message me on Instagram or email me. My email will be down in the description box below, just with the link to your wish list, and I will get that off to you as soon as I can. So we're just going to note that this was our winner. Alright, so now on to the next draw, which is for the Prismacolor Scholars, the 60 count. So we have 26 people entered for this one. So we're just going to change this to 26. We're going to shuffle the numbers, and good luck. Alright, number 5. So Carisa Books, congratulations, hun. Could you please put the 60 count Prismacolor Scholars on your wish list and email me with the link for it, and I will get that off to you as soon as possible. Congratulations again. Alright, and lastly, the big one, the Prismacolor Premieres 150 set. So we have 39 people entered for this one. So we're going to bump this up to 39. We're going to shuffle those numbers, and the best of luck to everyone. Alright, 36. So Cindy's Creativity and Reading Corner. You are the winner of the 150 set of Prismacolor Premieres. Again, please email me with your link to your Amazon wishlist after you've added this to it, and I will get that off to you as soon as I can. Thank you so much, everybody, for entering. Again, I wish I could give you guys all prizes. If I was a millionaire, I definitely would. Yeah, I think that's everything for this video. Thank you so much for your guys' support throughout the years. Thanks so much for being here. I appreciate every single one of you. I'm going to leave this off here. If you were a winner, make sure to email me, and I can't wait to get you guys your prizes. Alright, everybody, take care, and hopefully I will see you in one of my future videos. Bye!